Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. King of Cups, Two of Wands. Okay, Leo, you are being somebody who has lot of emotion, lot of affection, lot of love for something or for someone. You are somebody who always ready to give your heart to your person. You are always ready to support them. You are always ready to listen to them. You are always ready to console them. Okay, so it means that you have immense love and emotion for this person. All right, but somewhere somehow you also feel alone, because it seems like you always think that it's me who is putting all my efforts and affection, but the other person is not giving me the equal attention. All right, so that thing somewhere somehow makes you feel sad and bad, but apart from that you have a lot of love, a lot of emotion for your person. Okay, on the other hand, we have Two of Wands. Your person is somebody who is a visionary. Okay, this person knows how to act, when to do something. I mean, basically they know the know-how of their things, of their deeds. Okay, and since they have this globe in their hand, that means they are somebody who looks beyond the illusion, that I could say, or they have some big plans in their life. They are somebody who is a big time dreamer. They are somebody who has so many desires in life. Okay, and this ocean right in front of them shows that this person is somebody who look a large picture. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Trust is the mutual energy between you and them. You need to trust them, and eventually they also need to trust you. It's okay, you have so many emotions for them, but they should trust you. Okay, and yes, this person is very ambitious. It seems like they are very ambitious. Okay, so you should trust them. This relationship is asking you to trust each other. That's what I'm trying to say. Now let's see what your person thinks about you, what action they are taking towards you right now, and what action they'll be taking towards you in future. Okay, as I said, somewhere somehow you must be feeling alone and aloof. Okay, you must be feeling that, is it me who is putting all my efforts in this relationship? This person is not thinking about me, this and that and blah blah blah. So your person sees you as somebody who is very mature and calm. Okay, even though they must have not talked to you, or even though they must have not mentioned this thing to you, but yes, they know that you are somebody who is very calm. Okay, you must be surrounded with so many other people who must be telling you some negative things about them, but it's you who is choosing to ignore them, and you just let go all your negative emotions and frustration and all that. Okay, you have nothing hold in your heart. You are just letting go all the things, whatever people keep on telling you, or keep on poking you that, hey, this person is not good for you, this person is not good for you, they are being they are selfish, they are this, they are that, they are blah blah blah. But it's you who is turning in. You know that you need them. Okay, you know that you have to trust them, and that's why you are not that's why you are not listening to them. You are not even bothered about what they are saying. Okay, so that's how your person sees you, as somebody who is very mature and wise. All right, now the morality. It seems like your person is not taking any action towards you right now because they have their own life patterns. Own life pattern as in they are, I told you that they are somebody who sees a large picture, okay, who are visionary. So somewhere somehow when it takes, or when it comes to taking action towards them, they are, you know, they are stuck in some, you know, predefined notions. Hey, no, I have to do something first, I have to achieve something first, only then I'll go towards my Leo to talk about something. Okay, perhaps they want to achieve something in life, only then they'll be able to come in front of you and talk. All right, so they are into their own energies, if they are into their own zone. Okay, until I won't achieve something, I won't go, I won't talk to my Leo about certain issues or certain things. But the best part is that in future they are definitely going to start something new in this relationship. Perhaps they'll be thinking that it's okay, I told you that you need to trust them, they need to trust you. They are definitely going to take a leap of faith in this relationship in future, and soon they are going to break all their, you know, boundaries and foundations which hold them back. Okay, so they'll be trusting you, they'll be trusting in divine, they'll be trusting in universe, and they are going to take a leap of faith in you, towards you. All you need to do is trust, all they need to do is trust. Okay, all right. So Leo, it seems like you guys are dealing with some water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, so you must be dealing with that too. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Okay, thank you very much, God bless you, goodbye.